shown over here. So last time I was riding, I got a pop-up message on my TFT display stating that the battery on the key fob has a 50% remaining. So I was like, okay, 50%, that's plenty. But today, when I started the motorcycle trying to go for a quick ride, I got another warning message stating do not turn off the engine because motorcycle might not restart. Let me show you this message. So if I try to, yes, the key fob is right here, and I can't press the push start button to start the motorcycle. So what I can do in this case, bring the key fob so close to the radio frequency receiver right here. Let me see, yes, and now I can start the motorcycle. And the message was, I'll show you the message after starting the motorcycle. There is a warning message, there we go. Do not stop engine restart may not be possible. Well, this is just because the battery is dead. Okay, so let's go ahead to the bench and show you how to remove and replace the battery on the key fob. And basically, I believe this process works on any this process works on any BMW motorcycle with a push start button and a key fob. Just open that, release the key. There is no special tool that you need. Just this is the lid. Just pry on it like so, and voila, you can open it up. You need the 2032 battery, right? And I looked at the battery earlier, so the best way to approach it is from here. Put the flat screw head and it pops out. Grab a new one and just put it like so. And then when you are trying to put this lid back, make sure that the O-ring is seated nicely. Yeah, it's all nice. And just lay it out like so and press it. Make sure that there is no extra gap. Yep, everything is good. So now the battery is new and I should be able to start the motorcycle, I believe, with the key fob is all the way here possibly. Oh yes, so earlier I wasn't even able to start the motorcycle with the key fob sitting over here. So just a reminder, if your battery on your key fob is dead and you couldn't start the motorcycle, grab the key fob, get it really close to the radio frequency receiver, or get the other spare key, the gray one that came with the motorcycle as well, bring it over here so you can start the motorcycle. But when you get it closer, it doesn't need too much effort to communicate with the radio frequency receiver or ring right here, or the ring, the radio frequency. One more thing before I do wrap up this video, the key fob, if you are not riding, do not leave it in this pocket right here, because that will drain the battery constantly, because the key fob will constantly be trying to communicate with the radio frequency ring here. So if you are not riding, take the key away from the motorcycle, hang it somewhere else. And that's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe, because that will help me tremendously and help my channel, and press the like button on your way out. Thank you again, until next time.